Yo, good morning, guys. Yo, I'm super late, but yo, today I'm actually gonna go get my car. Shout out to the C300. Yo, y'all see, I'm like, yo, in my new sector, filming. More to come though, more to come. But yo, we're running super late. I was supposed to be at Enterprise by my bad. So yeah, I was supposed to be at Enterprise by 9, but it's past 9 right now, so like, yo, man's gotta rush, you feel me? But those guys are super cool, so most likely they're gonna give me a pass, hopefully. Like, yo, finger crossed, on deck, you feel me? Shit, yo, I love the seat belt, yo. Like, when you sit down, fam, like the seatbelt like kind of like hug you, you know. So like, it's proper. So put the heated seats on, boom boom, we're out here. All right, let's get out here still. So I hope my camera doesn't fall on me, but if it does, well, it is what it is. My apologies. But yeah, so my car is being getting wrapped, and it's getting wrapped. I don't know exactly which shop is getting my car wrapped, because I sent my car to the Audi collision center, so they had to, like, you know, fix the damages from the last time I post. And yeah, so they fixed that. It took them about 2 weeks because they had to get the paint properly. For that car, the paint is actually rare, so like it don't matter who, because it's a pearl silver, so it has like liquid diamonds in it, and they had to like special order that paint. So that's why it took a little bit longer for me to get back my car. But I'm getting it back today. I was supposed to pick it up yesterday, but I couldn't because mans were working. And yeah, so I'm dropping off the rental. I hope, like, you know, I don't have any extra fee like I mentioned before. Which I don't think I'm gonna have any extra fee. But let's see what I'm going. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Alright? Yalla. Alright. So over here, like this area right here, that's where the car got damaged. Everything seems to be solid. So remind you, we're all inspecting this car together. Yeah, see, they put in some new bolts and shit, so there wasn't any frame damage or anything. So they did an okay job wrapping the car. Like you can see over here, like on the sensor right there. I guess the reason why they did what they did was just to get the sensor not to lag or anything, because when I did the car back in Montreal, they wrapped over the sensor. Here they cut it out, so I'm assuming it's just for the sensor to like not have any malfunction. And they really did a good job with the splitter. Like over here, they wrapped it properly though. Like, shush. I used to have like some messed up shit over here. It got wrapped properly, and I'm assuming the paint job is proper. So they had to actually change the grill. So this is a new grill, brand new grill. You can see that it's shiny as fuck. So this is all new stuff. I don't think they changed the headlight. They didn't need it to change the headlights. It wasn't damaged at all, so that's good. But anyways, I'm gonna check the work already to see exactly. So that seems okay. All right, check out this side. Yeah, that seems to be okay too. So good thing. I'm happy the guy hit me, because I'm gonna show you why. Damn, that shit's heavy. So over here, like around this area, I got egg thrown at me, well, thrown at the car, downtown Toronto. So they had to you know, rewrap the hood. So I got that for free, which is proper. And yeah, the hood is aligned. I don't see any misalignment. I was kind of worried. So this is all aligned perfectly. Perfect gaps. Same here, so it's proper. Yo, overall, I'm happy she's back. Like, I miss my baby so much. Like, man's been driving with the Benz, but yo, this you can never go wrong with the power. Like, look how beautiful she is, yo. Like, god damn, I miss her. So what we're gonna be doing today, actually, I'm gonna be going to the Audi dealership, probably to go test drive the new RS5. Because I'm actually planning on trading this car to a new car. So at the moment I'm debating on a couple different cars, like coming soon, a couple different cars, like, you know, hopefully like this summer I'll probably be privileged enough to change this car. Nothing wrong with the car, I'm just kind of bored with the power. So yeah, I mean, I did a lot of work on it, put new wraps, new rims, tinted windows, like it's all dark and shit, you feel me? But yeah, let's get it started up real quick though. Interior, you remember I complained about BMW interior. This is proper, this is magnificent. So let's get a cold start real quick. I missed the car so much. We need to get a cold start. I wish I had my camera on me, but I don't. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's get a cold start on deck. Alright, y'all ready for the cold start? Alright, here goes nothing. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Yo, I miss you, bro. Like, god damn, like that rah 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 rah. Like, god damn, yo, I miss this car so much. Alright, so I had a problem with the reverse camera and shit, so I'm gonna check it real quick. Man, the car is vibrating. On car, of course. Okay, yo, I don't remember how much gas I had, but this car seems to be driven. It is what it is. They had to, I guess. You know what? It don't even matter. I have my car. So raise the spoiler. That works. I'm gonna check the reverse camera. That works too. Perfect. So yo, everything seems to be okay. I'm gonna just keep the car running for now, just to heat it up a little bit, you feel me? But I'm just driving like probably 30 seconds away, 30 seconds to a minute away, to go test drive the 2019 Audi RS5. That's the Sportback. But I think I'm kind of in love with 2 doors, to be honest with you. 2 doors, I mess with that shit. 4 doors, I feel like it's kind of too big, yo. But my homies keep complaining. They're like, yo, you can't get a 4-door? Nah, nigga, I get whatever I want. I pay for this shit, so I get whatever I want. If you ain't comfortable, man, get your own car and just drive your own car. Fuck you. So yeah, no cap. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm super happy to get back this car. So what's gonna happen is I'm I don't drive this car for winter though. Yeah, I don't drive for winter. Right now we do have nice weather, but we did have like a little bit of snow last night, so I'm gonna be bringing this to my new neighborhood. Like, more to come on that though, more to come. Hopefully I figure out the situation or the issue with my memory card in my cameras. I tried with all my 4 cameras and can't really, like, I have, I think, 3 or 4 memory sticks. They don't work for some reason. So I'm gonna get that sorted out. I'm gonna probably take it to a camera shop and see exactly what I'm going with all my stuff. So I hope this quality is okay, audio is okay. I never used this to actually do any of my recording, so hey, it is what it is. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna catch you later. I'm going right now to, like I said, Owasco, Audi Owasco, here in Whigby. Alright, I'm gonna catch you later. Alright, YOLO. Finally back on God, like, yo, sheesh. Woo. Man, I missed this car. Oh, that downshift though. God damn. Alright. Yo, the tires is still kind of cold right now, so I ain't trying to do any stupid maneuvers. Woo! Wait! Yo, so we made it home back in one piece. She's still looking beautiful as always. You feel me? So I'm actually gonna be getting ready for work. I'm gonna have to, hopefully, finger crossed, my mom gives me a ride to go pick up my other car. Cause mine has to go work. I don't use this car for work, so that's what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get this washed. Most likely, like on a better day. You feel me? Like right now, it's kind of damp. Not like a little bit though, a little bit. Like, you know, we have like little snow all over the place, but the road seems to be dry, which that's a good thing. But other than that, they washed the car for me. Hopefully my mom gives me a ride. Like I'm saying, like, finger crossed she gives me a ride. But anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all. Like, thank you guys for tuning in. More shit is coming up to you guys. Like I said, I'm in my new neighborhood, so I'm gonna be, you know, giving you guys updates on this and more videos to come. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. Appreciate y'all. Alright, YOLO.